Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will print 1 to 10 series of number using do while loop statement in C. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for your support, for watching, leaving a comment, and give some suggestion. So let's get started. So I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program that is free to download in their website. So line number 1, we have here shop includes tdio.h. It is a library file for input-output in C. And then we have here int main. It is the starting point of every C program. We have here the left curly bracket, int a, variable declaration. We initialize the value to 1. Then printf new line number 7. Line number 8, the title of our program, print 1 to 10 using dual statement in C. Line number 9 to new line. Line number 10, horizontal tab \t, and then line number 11 we declare do printf for %4 for spacing the decimal a, increment, and then while a less than or equal to 10, new line, end of program, new line also, and then we close our program here. So next we will execute our program to see the result, compile and run. So we have here print 1 to 10 using dual statement in C, end of program. So this is the end of our short tutorial video on how to print 1 to 10 using dual statement in C programming language. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.